Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to restore settings to their original defaults on the Opera browser. First, open the Opera browser. Then, open Settings. From GX Games, choose the Reset Settings option. Then, choose to restore settings to their original defaults. This action will revert your search engine to its default, remove pinned tabs, and reset browser settings. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data, like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Click on the Reset Settings button.